Howdy howdy, and welcome to Alien Vendetta. This is Map 7, Showdown, and we are pistol starting on Ultraviolence, and we're going to have a really hot start. That did a ton of damage to me. I got hit by just one of those. It did 70-something damage. Alright, cool. Yeah, but you're going to want to rush to that rocket launcher. Because you need to get rid of the incubi that are up on those pillars as soon as possible. Alright, one left. And now the door is going to open over here. I have no idea what just happened. I just got a lag spike right there. That only ever happens when I'm recording. Okay. And the only secret in this map, you'll tag it when you step right here. It's not really a secret, because you have to go this way to progress in the level, so... pretty much can't miss the secret. Really? Man, that Arachnotron was taking quite a bit of damage. Where's the other one? Okay, I need to hide. Okay, I'm in a weird spot here, but... wait, actually, let's change that ammo over here. I'm gonna go grab it. Okay, now we just need to make it to a berserk pack, and then I'll be fine. The ones up in the towers are pretty easy. You just stay on this. Stay on the corners. You can take that out pretty easy. I'm gonna put one shot into the Revenant just because I'm right there, but I'm really aiming for these Arachnotrons. So I can get to that berserk pack. Alright, now we got one more to deal with up on the tower. And then, there we go. Grab the berserk pack, hit the teleport. Then we'll deal with these Revenants. And this imp. Thought there might be more shotgun shells in there, but there's not. So I'm going to come over here and drop down right here. Save some shells by punching out. Whoa, good lord, that was almost bad. I'm not liking you right now. You put me in a really bad position, so you gotta die. Alright. He did get us down to 36 health, but we should be alright. I'm gonna go grab some health just for insurance. There should be some in here. Alright, 76. That's good enough for right now. I still gotta get rid of this one. Really? Okay. Man, some of these Arachnotrons are very sturdy. Alright. Gotta watch those Revenants. I'm gonna drop down and grab this armor. Teleport back up. Get out of the way because those Revenants can see us there. Woo! Looked like it was going to be a home or two. Whoa, that was fast. Man, you were really eager. Alright, and that is the second and final switch. That should open up the exit, and that is also all of the enemies, so we are done with this map. Back to the start, hit the teleporter, and then here's the exit. You actually get a glimpse of the next map. Pretty cool. And there we go. That is Alien Vendetta's Map 7 Showdown. It's like a dead simple replacement. It's actually a pretty cool, pretty fun map. I didn't love it, but I definitely didn't hate it either. It's only 45 enemies. It feels like a lot more, because there's so little health. There's just stim packs and the one berserk pack. But again, there's only 45 enemies, but most of those enemies are Mancubi, a ton of Arachnotrons and Revenants, and it's kind of a small map too, so you don't have a whole lot of room. But yeah, it's kind of a fun map. It's a fun little challenge combat map. And next up is Beast Island.